What did Mike get you for your birthday, Pam?
He got me a watch. See?
That's beautiful. He must have spent fortune on it.
He's so great. I think he might propose pretty soon.
How do you know? Did he give you any clues?
He took me a jewelry store and asked me what type of ring I like. It was a little obvious, but at least I got to pick the one I wanted.
That's not so romantic.
He was never romantic. Silly and cute, but not romantic. I like his quickness. He always makes me laugh.
I guess you can't ask for much more than that.
How is it going with you and Jennifer?
We broke up a week ago.
I'm so sorry to hear that. What happened?
I think we both just started to grow apart. I wasn't surprised.
Are you doing okay?
Actually, I'm feeling great. I guess I needed some freedom.
Have you started seeing other guys yet?
Not yet, but when I meet a dance guy, I wouldn't mind dating again.
What kind of guy are you looking for?
Also, my relationship with Jennifer wasn't that bad. I want a guy who likes to go out more. Jennifer always spent all his time studying and researching for school. It was quite boring.
Hey, there are guys like that. All you have to do is find the right one.
But that's the hard part. I always fall for the guy who is smart, and then after a couple of months I get bored.
Doesn't a tall, good-looking guy turn you on?
Not really. What should I do?
We should go to a club this Saturday and find a smart, romantic guy. How does that sound?
That sounds like a plan. Let's do it.
Great. I'll see you at 9 then.
Okay. See you later.